Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be covering Sony's 2025 Bravia TV lineup with a primary focus on the new Bravia 8 Mark II. This new display puts to rest the rumors claiming that QD-OLED was dead and being replaced with new technologies, such as primary RGB tandem OLED panels using a 4-stack illumination system. That being said, the release of the Bravia 8 II solidifies that QD-OLED technology isn't going away anytime soon. And in my opinion, the Bravia 8 Mark II will be one of the best TVs of 2025. The Bravia 8 II is Sony's top-tier OLED model for 2025, and the successor to last year's Bravia 8, which will be carried over this year with the addition of new screen sizes that include 42, 48, and 83-inch models in addition to the currently available 55, 65, and 77-inch sizes. Now, back to the star of the show, the Bravia 8 Mark II. This TV is rocking a 4th-generation QD-OLED panel and promises better brightness, contrast, color volume, and overall performance when compared to last year's Bravia 8. Sony also claims it's 50% brighter than the Bravia 8. I also want to note that the Bravia 8 uses a WOLED panel and can't provide the level of color performance as QD-OLED panels. That said, Sony claims the new Bravia 8 Mark II is also the successor to the excellent A95L and will be their new flagship OLED TV. It will offer better performance thanks to its new 4th-generation QD-OLED panel, and will deliver 25% more brightness, in addition to better contrast and better color volume. I'd also like to quickly mention that the Bravia 8 II features Sony's XR Triluminos Max for enhanced color reproduction and their XR processor. The Bravia 8 II will only be available in 55 and 65-inch screen sizes. This will be disappointing to anyone desiring larger models. This also means having to choose the 77-inch A95L if you want a larger Sony OLED TV. For the record, Sony's A95L has been their flagship OLED TV since its release in 2023, and is critically acclaimed by many reviewers and enthusiasts as one of the best TVs ever made. Moreover, this model will be carried over again to 2025 but will only be available in a 77-inch screen size. Up next, let's briefly talk about Sony's other new Bravia TVs for 2025, the Bravia 5 and Bravia 2 Mark II. First, the Bravia 5. This TV will offer mini LEDs and Sony's XR backlight master drive. It will also feature Sony's XR Triluminos Pro and its XR processor. I should also mention that the Bravia 5 does not have quantum dot technology, which would have provided better color reproduction. I also want to add that the Bravia 5 is replacing the Sony X90L. The Bravia 5 will be available in various sizes, which include 55, 65, 75, 85, and 98-inch models. Next, the Bravia 2 Mark II. This model name might seem a bit confusing to some since the original Bravia 2 wasn't available in the US market. Now, Sony has decided to offer the Bravia Mark II stateside as their entry-level TV. Since the Bravia 2 Mark II is a basic 4K TV, it won't offer much in the way of bells and whistles. That being said, you'll get direct-lit LED backlighting and Sony's 4K processor X1, to name a couple of features in addition to being offered at an affordable price point. The Bravia 2 Mark II will be available in 43, 50, 55, 65, and 75-inch screen sizes. Now that we've covered Sony's new Bravia 4K TVs for 2025, let's talk about their carryover models from last year. I've already mentioned the Bravia 8 and the A95L OLED TVs. Nonetheless, Sony will still be offering the Bravia 3, the Bravia 7, and the Bravia 9. By the way, Sony claims the Bravia 9 is still their flagship top-tier TV for 2025, even with the release of the new Bravia 8 Mark II OLED, which in my opinion, will outperform the Bravia 9. For that matter, the A95L outperformed the Bravia 9 in my opinion, when I had the opportunity last year to view these models side by side. That being said, the Bravia 9 is an excellent TV and is considered one of the best mini LED TVs available. To learn more about the carryover models mentioned here, check out the YouTube video at the end screen or the link in the description section. So there you have it, Sony's 2025 Bravia 4K HDR TV lineup with a mix of old and new and improved displays while offering something for everyone. The highlight of this lineup in my opinion is the Bravia 8 Mark II and is poised to dethrone the awesome A95L and become Sony's best OLED TV ever made. I look forward to seeing this new model as well as Sony's other new TVs for 2025. And before I close, please check out the description section. where you will find a list of features for the TVs covered in this video. And stay tuned for pricing and availability dates, which I will update in the description section. If you found the content in this video informative, please like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching.